Sadresi Mbambu nyina w'umwana ubuzire arikumanywa nka Chachi mwa Christine nagira ngo omuhara akaburo byabire naruga kutunga konfirmasiyo ari St Stephen Joint Church omuri Cyanzuki Trading Center.
Ngana mukwamire nyuma nari omwabise munyawunde yiwe wati akasamuhamba ama muhamba nainga namukwamire ndengashakuwa tikayayo nari omwana mayo usomeriba ingarukunde nangese wetikayo nari mayo usomeriba nene mobenda ngaya muhambo meriba nari omwana manyirenja mani baramasenda.
Mbambu nashobora ngu okubura kumuhara Chachimwa nokubasa kubakurumu ebyabaroji
alwanda lo muri omore ayi warundi musasa isha maets na rochindo echo na ingere bindre batu watukai omondroyo atunda kenda yake amabina birondesha sente selusi batu watukai alekere tutesa itranga banyalwanda na bataka busha babiri asaba kasoko kwa ramali ya Chachimwa tulekere bona okwa chindwe chenesi
oguna shaba abebembezi nabibyubushoborozi okutaho munshongeji okumuhwera okunyurura omutumbi gwe mugenzi omugera ogwanya mwamba
obuleni bwica munyi watikaye ari munyi watikaye buwaticha aribondekanya mwana alweyani nekutu abantu tulekere bona usangwa Chachimwa abiriyenda tukalangira mwana abiriyenda.
Mukuru w'entebe yokubanza ahabwa amashure Bwambale Robson nashaba gavumenti okubombekera orutindo ahamugera ogwanya mwamba ogurukugita Cyanzuki hamwe n'emyanya eyitoroireho okwiyaho ekizibu cyo kuferwa amagara nkoko nagira ngu entindo nyamwingi eziri mu kichwekomo zikatwarwa omwegemure cyareka amagara g'abantu gari ahakangaratete
nakutsebo tukasaba government truth ituwetikeye itwa bantu be Cyanzuki n'abakalwe bunyendiriko ne Kyambogo erenga te government yamatruho buraru bono obwe Cyanzuki mabe barakwa bantu betu eremenya truth nukwe enamba y'abantu bari bakasenda yamakeha nomwatsi weresenda amahweraho government tukasaba ikutsibo bende babure president Yoweri Museveni kaguti ase tuwetika yoburaru bono bitoze wezi abantu abe Cyanzuki municipality bamayaho busana nakasera kabere baneko okwanyamwamba
amukugaruka mwe bibyo na Lieutenant Matema Gwara Deputy RDC wa district ya Kasese narabura abatura okurekeraho okwambuka omugera obu enjura erukubegwire na meizi gari ya hegoro.
Avoid crossing where there are no bridges. 2, we should avoid a person crossing alone because the water may increase when you are in the middle of the river and no one will know what happened to you. So you rather, when you see that the water volume has increased, you rather get a relative or look for any person, whether church or an LOC, and you spend your night there.
Yagaruka yashobora ngu gavumenti ekizibe nekimanya kandi lyonetekateka hacho kubombekera orutindo konkati yagamba obunaku bwenyine obw'orutindo rukwija kuombekwa.
Looking at how the next bridge can be higher, longer, higher and stronger than the previous ones that have been shaped. We have already met the Ministry of Works, engineers. They are working with our district engineers and other stakeholders like this one is operating hydropower and others. We are looking for how to help that community.
Aitu akorera amakuraga abebembezi n'abantu babutosha babakwatanise nkengaro endyo nemosho okusherura omutumbi gwa Chachimwa gwaba gutakazokire obwo abekayo mugenzi n'abatahi bari kugenda omumisho no gusherura nabashaba abebyobushoborozi okubahwera omuhigogo gasha kwa Mate Isaac ahabwa Tayari West.